Okay, so for this tutorial I'm using a lilac cotton yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Okay, so I have done 50 chains and I'm gonna join with the slip stitch to form around like this, and now I'll chain 1 and start my first row of single crochet. So over here I'll make 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet around till I come back to the first point. Okay, so now I'm done. I'm almost done with the first round. So I'm not gonna close here. I'm gonna work in spiral so till the end of my project, because it's easier to do the stitch. So I'm gonna finish one before the last and the last single crochet, and I'll start working my next single crochet straight on top of this one. But I'm not gonna work the normal single crochet like this. I'm gonna work the cross single crochet like I'm gonna show you now. So in the normal single crochet you insert your hook. So instead of your yarn on top and you pull the hook, the yarn will be down and then you pull through the stitch and you work. We'll repeat. The yarn is under your hook and you pull like so. We'll repeat this one. So insert your hook, keep your yarn under the hook and pull. Keep the yarn under the hook, always under the hook. That's the only difference between a normal single crochet and the cross single crochet, and you will see the difference once you work few rows. It's like a cross, or yeah, cross. So I'll finish this row number 2 and then I'll show you how it looks like. You can already see it's very nice and it's different from the normal single crochet, but later on it will be even prettier once the project is completed. I tried this in another tutorial, making a straight project, like not a round one, but it didn't work properly. Like it didn't show the same result, because this cross to show, it needs to be in rounds. What I did one round, one row of cross single crochet and 1 row of slip stitch. So I come back and do the same. It's a bit different, but it's not bad as well. So if you wanna try it, I'll put the link in the description box for that video. So basically we will work at least for 20 more rows like this in spiral, like I said, and then I'll show you later how big it is, whether we need to do more rows or no, and then the last part, which is the closing part of the pad. Okay, so here I have finished my piece already, and the only thing I still have to do is to sew the top and the bottom, so it becomes only one piece and it's ready to be used. So here I'll fasten off. Okay, and I'll do here it's already done. So joining my sewing needle, okay, okay, I will just sew together the inside loops, which are these ones. I will sew them together and I'll leave the outer ones open. Very simple. Here I'm done. I'll just hide the thread along the way, and this is how it looks like sewed together. I'll do exactly the same on this side. And I'm finished this side too. I'll just hide my thread, and this is the cloth completed. It's very nice and easy. So we learn how to do the cross single crochet, and then this is how you're gonna use your pads for your hot dishes or anything you like in the kitchen. So I hope you like this tutorial. You can make it bigger than this, as I have said, or you can make it small. It's up to you, and it depends on your need. But this is a sample on how to do a hot pad using the single crochet cross. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.